Tolj Commercial Real Estate is pleased to offer an automotive retail center for lease. The property is conveniently located southwest of downtown Los Angeles. The automotive center consists of 5,260 square foot building on 12,069 square foot lot. There are 10 auto bays with mechanical lifts, office rooms, bathrooms, storage, and more. Call Mike today for a free consultation and visit our website for property listings, blogs, and other resources.